Welcome to tutorial number 18. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you our new feature that is available in release 2.2 for September 1st, 2014. Here we have, in the past, remember we add the speed drill and whiteboard animation feature where you can control through the setting here, right? So if you set here, right, so the default is the regular speed, which allowed you to draw anywhere from 2x, 3x, 10 times the speed, or an insane speed here, right? So the default is normal speed, all right? And you also allowed you to use the animations. So what we have here is the different type of the hand animation here. So you have the default, the holding a stylus, to different type of stylus, and the dry erase, airbrush, left hand, right hands, and the 3D looking, and even some robots or something else. Okay, so we'll show you a little bit more later on how you can actually create your own whiteboard animation here. But here, I'm gonna just simply show you that it's something added to it now. Remember, that's the setting you set for global. So if you just play, let's say, angle criterions, which by the way, no spelling, no typo here. It happened to be the standard for the high school geometry. So say if you play that one here, okay, all right, and you see that is a lot of people say, wow, why it is so slow? Okay. Well, I don't blame you. That it was how it was originally drawn. That's a normal speed here, and just the way it is. Now, if you don't like the stylus, and let's go ahead and change that here. So that's how we're gonna show you here. So if you go to setting here, you can override. Now these two has been added to it. So now you can change the speed. Say I want to make it like 5 times faster. And I want to say, since I'm drawing that, I'm going to draw with maybe like a brush, okay, artist brush here. So like more realistic. And I think I've showed that before. You can also set the way how it was presented. It was fading in about 1 second. Okay, now let's see how that would look now. So if you tap at this here, wow, see how fast it is drawing now, right? So that's allowed you to customize your lessons. Let's say if you have 10 lessons you want to present in the slideshow fashion here, and of course you can continue drawing that, do all that anyway after that. So every one of them in your folder here can set. You can set every one of them, right? You can set the speed to this one to 2x. And I set this one no animations on that one, and I changed this one to 6x speed here was the pointer. I'm gonna use a traditional cartoon hand cursor here. I'm gonna let they move from top here, and let's see how that works here. So if you want to do that way here, let's see if you have a move from top here. You don't know that it's a cartoon animations here. So that's how it's 6 times speed here, so it's a lot faster here. So if you don't want it to go through the exact sequence, you can change that easily. Every one of them can be saved its own style here. All right. So this is designed to simplify the presentation. You're welcome to give us any other suggestion. One thing we would do for sure is in the future, every little object in your lesson can be controlled. So in other words, if you want to draw text in a different animation, different speed, we will allow you. It's not difficult at all, but right now, for the sake of simplicity, that's what we have.